Alright, so how do you chroma key on Premiere Pro? So what you want to do is you want to go to Video Effects. Then from here you want to go down to Keying. Right, now you want to get Ultra Key and place it on your timeline. Right, I'll get Ultra Key, place it onto the video playback that you're wanting to put it on. Then you're going to want to go to Effect Controls, Ultra Key, get this little pipette and put it on here. Now your background is Ultra Keyed out, and therefore you can put anything you want in the background. Put this background in the background and it will look okay. I think also on this one there is a shadow, which makes it look even better in this instance, and as you can see it fits perfectly. You may have to do some further editing with effects, or if you want to get it completely right, then you may have to do different, more precise techniques to get rid of blurs around the edges.